How to create a business account on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can create a business account on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to create a business account, which is a bit different compared to a personal account by the way, it's relatively quite simple to do so because all you have to do is go to business.facebook.com/overview. I'm also going to be making sure to dropping a direct link down in the description box below as well. Once you go to business.facebook.com/overview, you're gonna land on this page where over here you'll find one of these options that says create an account. So it says let's get started with business tools from Meta, and here you'll find the create an account option. Make sure to just select that option, and then when you select the create account option over here, you should be able to go ahead and then enter your business and account name. Once you've done that, you can also enter your very own name as well as your business email. Click the submit option to follow the on-screen instructions, and then your business account on Facebook will get successfully created. And that's it for today's video on how you can create a business account on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.